100 years recipe that my mother-in-law taught me. A super easy and delicious recipe. For this recipe, we'll need 200 milliliters of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a good pinch of salt, and now let's mix everything very well. We'll also need 120 grams of melted butter, 2 eggs, and if you prefer the written recipe, don't forget to comment down here I want so I can send you the complete recipe right here. And let's add little by little 470 grams of flour and beat everything very well. And be prepared guys, because soon we will mix it with our hands. We're going to knead this dough for 5 minutes or until you see that it's very smooth. This dough is very smooth and fluffy guys. I'm sure that even if it's your first bread, it's gonna be a success. After kneading the bread, let's let it rest for 20 minutes. It's super fast, it don't need to take so long to rest. It's super fast and simple. And let's take it to a form. Here my fork contains 20 centimeters. And with a stick, let's make some holes on the dough, this way as you can see on the video. Before taking it to the oven, let's prepare some crumbs to put on that. With 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of butter. The idea here guys is to make it look like crumbs, okay? So if you need, you can put more sugar on it. And then let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. But keep an eye on it because it will depend on your oven. And around here my bread is already done and look how delicious it is. The crumbs on top of that gets very crunchy. It gives a super special touch to our bread. And look at this dough guys, super fluffy and it's very tasty. Make it there that I guarantee you that you and all of your family are gonna love this recipe. You have no idea how crunchy it is. These crumbs on top of that is irresistible. With some butter, there is nothing better than that. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is very important for us. Thank you so much for watching until here guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye!